Good morning. Today we're gonna talk about the second type of the cell called animal cell. Doesn't have a lot of a chain than plant cell with a little changes. Let we see. The first layer in the plant cell called plasma membrane. Plasma membrane it is the same in plant cell and animal cell, but the first layer in animal cell was cell wall. But here it is plasma membrane. So cell wall give it the plant cell a definite shape and it is absent here. So the animal cell has indefinite shape because the absence of cell wall. But as the function, it is the same. It controls the substance that enter or leave the cell. Okay? Number 2, cytoplasm. It is the same. It is a liquid, fills the cell and all components suspended in it. All biological operation occur in it. Occur in what? Occur in cytoplasm. Occur in cytoplasm. Number 3, nucleus. It is the same. It is organized the biological operation responsible for cell division, control all of the cell's activities. Sap vacuole. Sap vacuole in the animal cell it is small, but in plant cell was large. Why? Guess what? Guess what? Plant cell, the sap vacuole of plant cell is larger than sap vacuole in animal cell because we have already excretory system. We don't need large sap vacuole. We don't need store wastes because we have excretory system, but plant doesn't have, so the plant need it. Subnote. Plant and the animal cell similar in presence of, yes, nucleus, cytoplasm, and plasma membrane. Excellent. But the plant cell characteristic than the animal cell by the presence of cell wall and chloroplast. Excellent. Give reason the animal cell has indefinite shape. Due to the absence of cell wall. Due to the absence of cell wall. So cell wall give the cell definite shape, and when it absent, the cell hasn't have the definite shape. Number 2, unicellular. Unicellular, in last video we said that unicellular has one cell in their bodies. So its bodies consist of just one cell, but they are living organisms. But we can see it by naked eyes. I can see it by my eyes. But we can see it by microscope, just such as bacteria and yeast fungus. Number 1, bacteria. We have 2 types of bacteria. Harmful bacteria and causes a lot of diseases, and useful bacteria that used in making yogurt and some types of cheese. Number 2, yeast fungus. The structure of yeast fungus: cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm, and vacuole. The last part in our lesson for today is the economic importance of yeast fungus. Number 1, in making alcohol. In making alcohol, where yeast changes sugar solution into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Number 2, in making bread. Making bread, where it produces carbon dioxide that make the bread spongy and light. And this is for today, and thank you.